Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you are doing great. As we are international student, after we completing our graduation from China, we need to verify our Chinese degree certificate. There are many reasons behind this. For example, one student completed his bachelor degree from China and after that he want to join master's degree in another country, for example, Canada, USA, Australia, etc. During that time, he need to submit the verified copy of his Chinese certificate. Or if you want to find a job in China and in your country, during that time you might be submit the verified copy. So this is very important for you. In today's video, we will show you from which website you can verify your Chinese degree certificate online. So without further delay, let's get started. Verifying Chinese degree is very easy and you can do it by yourself. So let's see how you can do it. First, you have to visit the website. I will provide the link in the description box. You can change the language to English from here. You will see different service options on the website. From here, click on Verification Service. Scroll down and click on Personal Review. The website will then take you to the login page. If you don't have an account, you need to register by clicking here. First, you have to enter your mobile number. Remember that the mobile number must be from a Chinese mobile operator. You cannot register with a phone number outside of China. An SMS code will be sent to your mobile number, which you need to enter in the box. The password you create here will be used to log into your account later. Your name will be same as your Chinese certificate. Select the passport option for ID type. ID nong is your passport number. If you have renewed your passport during your study period, you can ask your international office which one is associated with your certificate and they will inform you. Enter your email address and register your account by clicking on Create Account. You will be notified that a verification email has been sent to your email. Complete the registration by clicking on hyperlink in the email. Now return to the login page and log in with your mobile number and password. This will bring you to the initial page. Click here to provide your document for authentication. You can see here some examples. You also need to take photos and upload here. Select University Student and write the university name in Chinese. Then click Submit. After your authentication is checked by the server, you will be notified via email that your authentication is complete. If there is any problem with the document, you will need to upload again. In this case, you will receive an email with the necessary information. You also can obtain this result from the online portal. The audit did not pass because the information you provided during registration does not match with the passport information in the university server. If you are in this situation, the only solution is to create another account with proper information. If your authentication is complete, you will receive an email and can proceed to the next step. Go to your profile and complete the security question to make sure your profile 100% complete. To see your certificate, follow those steps. First, click here. Then click on the option number 2. You will see your certificate displayed in Chinese. You can view your certificate by clicking here. If you want a translate copy of certificate in English, follow those steps. Click here, click here, click here, click here, then select option number 2 and click on this button. Click here. This English Translate certificate will valid for 1 year. You will be given various payment options to pay the translation fee. You can use Alipay or WeChat payment. Select one and complete the payment. This certificate takes some time to be translated into English. So you can follow this process again after an hour and see if your certificate is ready. Follow those steps to view and download the translation copy from the website. You can see here that your English version of certificate is ready. You can view the certificate by clicking here. Now click here to download the file. This file will be in PDF format. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any queries regarding the degree verification, you can leave a comment. We'll try to help you. That's all about today's video. Stay with us and see you in our next episode.